Hey y'all, and welcome back. Tonight in the kitchen we are cooking up tuna patties, and I'm going to show y'all how to make tuna patties from scratch with what you have in the kitchen and what all you might can use to bind it together for items you already have in your pantry. So come on and let's turn around here and get started. Okay, to start with, you're going to be needing at least, depending on how many people you're trying to feed, 2 cans of tuna, maybe 3, after you add all the other ingredients to stretch it. So we're using the tuna in water. You can use the tuna in oil or water, whichever you like or whichever one you have. And I'm going to be using a little bit of breadcrumbs. That's just what I have, and I'm going to use those up. If you didn't want to use your breadcrumbs, if you've got a few crackers, sitting aside that you didn't use all of them when you made some, or just had some extra crackers, you could use that as a binder. Even just add a little bit of all-purpose flour in your tuna. If you wanted to just put like 1/4 of a cup of regular flour in it. Just use whatever you have. To bind all that together, we need an egg. So we're going to use 1 egg. I'm going to put some onion powder and garlic powder. We're going to put a little salt and black pepper. I'm going to put a little bit of spicy brown mustard in mine. This makes them a little tangy and just gives them a little kick to your tuna patties. Or your salmon patties. You can put a little of this in salmon patties also. We like peppers and onions, so I'm going to stir fry these real quick and add it to my mixture once I get these cooked just for a minute. Once I get them cooked, I'm going to add it to my mixture and mix it in already sauteed just a little bit, and that gives your tuna patties a good taste too. So we're going to start by sauteing these little vegetables right here and get them started. And I'm just going to use a little olive oil to saute these in. And also I add just a splash of lemon juice to tuna patties, just like a 1/2 teaspoon is all you need. That just sort of takes that fishy taste out of it, so it don't taste so, quite as fishy if you don't like that taste. Just a drop of lemon juice. And to fry the patties in, I'm going to use a little bit of olive oil mixed with a little bit of butter. That just gives it a good taste, mixing these two together when you start to fry them in. So that's everything. We're going to turn around here. That's all my ingredients, and we're going to get started and start stir frying our vegetables first, and then we're going to start mixing our tuna up. Okay, to our bowl, we're going to start by adding our tuna. Make sure you get it all out of there. And we're going to add about a tablespoon of this mustard. I'm going to check my egg before I break it in my dish, because I don't want a bad egg. That happened to me the other day. And as high as they're costing, we don't need no bad eggs. And we're just going to see, I'll show you how much of a little splash, just a tiny bit. That's it, just a drop. And like I said, I'm going to use the breadcrumbs. Start off by adding 4 tablespoons. And we're going to see how that works. A little black pepper. A little salt, onion powder, a little garlic powder, and now I'm going to get my onions and peppers over here. Okay, and now we're going to add our onions and peppers to it. And now we're just going to give that a mix and combine all these ingredients together with that tuna. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make up just one, and then I'll just make the rest off camera so it don't take so long. But you just make them just like you would a little potato patty. And my butter and my little olive oil is already starting to get good and hot, so I'm going to start adding them in. Okay, you don't want to flip them until they're starting to turn brown right around the edges. So just let them sit there in that butter and oil and do its thing. And once you start seeing that little brown around the edge, that's when it's time to flip it. Okay, we're going to go ahead now and flip them. See that pretty golden brown? That's how you want it. Now we got to let the other side brown. Look how pretty and brown. Look how pretty and brown. Okay, y'all, here's what our tuna patties turned out to look like. And we're going to have ours with a couple fried eggs tonight for supper. This is a budget meal, and it's easy and simple. I hope y'all enjoy this video, and if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. And can you see the little peppers and onions in it?